Hello everyone. Are you preparing for UPSC 2025 and still struggling to be consistent with the current affairs? Are you still wondering that how to cover current affairs without having the need to study or to read newspaper on day-to-day basis? So in this webinar, which I am going to conduct on 18th of September, I will be dealing with the very important points with respect to UPSC preparation. Because many a times I have heard from the aspirants that they don't have that much of time to read newspaper on day-to-day basis. Some of you are saying that you have so much of static to cover. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि optional बहुत ज़्यादा है. Some of you are professional also, so it becomes hard to to read newspaper on day-to-day basis. So in this webinar which I am going to conduct, I will be talking about how you can be consistent with the current affairs without having the need to read newspaper on day-to-day basis. The second important point that I will cover in this webinar is how to relate a particular current affair topic with the UPSC syllabus. Because many a times I have heard that students are saying that they don't know, like they have understood the news, but they don't understand that how to relate it with the UPSC syllabus. Also in this particular webinar, I'll be telling you very effective way to memorize UPSC syllabus so that half of the problems will already be solved. Because if you know which particular news is related to what particular UPSC syllabus topic, then it is very easy to relate. And also many times UPSC has a lot of topics that are interrelated. Say for example, global warming, or you can say glacier melting is a global phenomena. Now this glacier melting is also related to economy, it is also related to environment, it is also related to biodiversity and everything. Now how you have to interrelate this particular topic with multiple sections of UPSC syllabus. So guys, all these points I am going to discuss in detail in this webinar, which is going to be conducted on 18th of September at 6 p.m. And one more important point about this webinar is that I will be telling you the effective way to cover the entire current affairs by giving just 10 hours weekly. So join me everyone, and thank you so much.